Profitable online business ideas. If you could start an online business in any niche, what would it be and why? Let us know in the comment section below. Join us in unraveling the potential of these ideas as we navigate the dynamic landscape of online entrepreneurship. Here you will see, the possibilities are truly boundless. Number 1. E-commerce store. Launching an online store is pretty much like setting up a digital shop where you can sell things you're super into. Whether it's fashion trends or the latest gadgets, choose a niche that gets you excited. You're the boss here. Pick what to sell, set your own prices, and put together a slick website to showcase your awesome products. When people drop by your online store, they can browse around, click on what they like, and make a purchase. You take care of the sales, and the products they snag get shipped right to their doorstep. Essentially, it's your very own store in the online world, and you get to call the shots. 2. Affiliate marketing. You scout out products or services that you're truly into, whether it's the latest tech gadgets or the hottest fashion trends. Once you've found your gems, you get this unique link. Now it's showtime. Share that link anywhere, on your social media, in your blogs, or wherever you hang out online. It's like you're becoming the go-to guru for the coolest recommendations. Here's where the magic happens. When people click on your link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. So, not only do you get to spread the word about things you love, but you also get a piece of the pie when others follow your lead. It's a win-win. 3. Dropshipping. Think of dropshipping like having your own store, but without the headache of managing inventory or shipping hassles. You kick things off by setting up an online store, choose a niche. When customers place orders, the products don't pass through your hands, they go straight from the supplier to the buyer. No need to stress about packing boxes or tracking inventory. That's not on your to-do list. Your main gig is steering the ship of your business, keeping things smooth and hassle-free. So, here's the beauty of it. You're the captain of your online store, choosing what to sell and how it looks. When orders roll in, you pass them along to the supplier, and they handle the rest, packing, shipping, all that jazz. This way, you're not drowning in boxes or logistics. Your focus? Making sure your store is top-notch, and your customers are happy. It's like running a business with all the perks and none of the headaches. 4. Print on demand. Imagine having your own line of cool merch without dealing with the nitty-gritty of printing. That's where print on demand swoops in. You come up with awesome designs, maybe it's funky t-shirts or stylish mugs, and slap them on an online store. When someone hits that buy button, that's when the magic happens. The product gets printed and shipped straight to the customer, and you don't have to lift a finger. It's like having a merch store without worrying about stockpiling inventory or shipping nightmares. Just focus on creating awesome designs that people want to rock. But here's the beauty. You don't need to invest in a ton of products up front. No boxes of t-shirts piled up in your room. The printing happens when someone orders, keeping things efficient and cost-effective. Plus, you get to experiment with designs and see what clicks with your audience without a huge risk. You're the creative brain behind it all, making it a fantastic option for turning your artistic flair into a money-making machine. 5. Courses. Ever thought about turning what you know into a money-making venture? Online courses are the way to go. Let's say you're a pro at graphic design or a coding wizard. Why not share that knowledge? Courses allows you to showcase those design techniques or walk through challenges, and people pay to learn from you. It's like being the go-to mentor everyone wants. You set the price, people enroll, and you make money while helping others level up their skills. Not only do you get to share your expertise, but you also build a community around it. People engage with you, ask questions, and you become a mentor in their learning journey. The best part? You create the course once, and it keeps making you money as more people sign up. Get paid for sharing what you love, and others get to learn from an expert. It's like turning your skills into a digital treasure that keeps growing. Uncover the secrets of financial excellence at braylnavy.com. Your gateway to financial empowerment is just a click away. Join us now, and start your financial adventure. 6. Digital marketing agency. Running a digital marketing agency means helping businesses boost their online presence. One key service is search engine optimization. It's like giving a website a map so that search engines can find it easily. Social media management is another task, involving handling and growing a company's social media accounts. Lastly, content creation is making engaging posts, articles or videos to keep audiences interested. These services help businesses reach more people, ultimately increasing their sales and success. 7. Freelance writing. As a freelance writer, you get paid for creating content. This could be articles or even website copy. Businesses often need someone to write about their products or services in a way that attracts customers. You might also write for blogs on various topics, showcasing your skills and building a reputation. Freelance writing allows you to work from anywhere and choose projects that interest you, making it a flexible and creative way to earn money. 8. Virtual assistant. Helping businesses with various tasks from a remote location. You might handle emails, schedule appointments, or manage social media. It's like being an online right-hand person for a busy professional. This role requires good organizational skills and the ability to multitask. Virtual assistants play a crucial role in keeping people and businesses running smoothly, even when they're not physically in the same place. 9. Subscription box service. Imagine having a monthly surprise delivered to your doorstep. That's the world of a subscription box service. You pick a theme, like fitness, gaming or beauty, and curate a box filled with cool stuff related to that theme. People subscribe, and every month, they get a box of surprises. It's like a party that keeps happening. Businesses love it because it builds a loyal customer base. And subscribers love it because, well, who doesn't love surprises in the mail? 10. Social media consulting. Helping businesses shine on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. You're the guru who knows the ins and outs of these platforms. You guide businesses on what to post, when to post, and how to engage with their audience. It's like being the captain of the social media ship, steering it towards likes, shares and followers. In a world where everyone's scrolling, businesses need someone like you to make sure they're catching all the eyes. And if you're great at it, they're willing to pay you a lot for it. It's evident that the digital landscape is a dynamic space where innovation and entrepreneurship thrive. From the convenience of e-commerce to the expansive world of digital services, opportunities abound for those willing to take the plunge. The diversity of options allows individuals to align their passions with profit. Whether it be through creating and selling unique products, providing valuable services or sharing knowledge through online courses. As we navigate this realm, it becomes clear that success hinges on a careful balance between personal passion and market demand. Building a lucrative online business means finding an exciting niche and understanding your audience's needs and preferences. Success in online entrepreneurship requires a blend of creativity, adaptability and awareness of industry trends. Whether in e-commerce, affiliate marketing or virtual services, the digital landscape offers endless possibilities. Embrace entrepreneurship, stay innovative and pursue online success with limitless opportunities. The digital business world is waiting, and with the right strategy and dedication, you can turn your aspirations into a thriving reality.